Now that we have learned the definite article, l'article défini, let us move on to the next type of article, the indefinite article, l'article indéfini. The indefinite articles in French are un, une and des. In English we use a or an. In French it is un or une or des. They also means some. Now let us see the rules for using un, une and they. The article un is used before the nouns that are masculine singular. This is similar to le, but this is the indefinite article. Une is used before nouns that are feminine singular. So this is similar to la. The rules are similar, however this is the indefinite article. They is used before nouns that are either masculine or feminine but in the plural form. So any noun that is in the plural form, whether it is masculine or feminine, will be preceded by they, des. So let us say these rules once again. Comes before a noun that is in the masculine singular form. Une comes before a noun that is in the feminine singular form. They comes before a noun which is in the masculine or feminine but plural form. For example, let us take an example where we use le. Do you remember any of the example? Say garçon, the boy. This is in the definite article. In the indefinite, since this is in the masculine singular, we would say un garçon, a boy, a boy. For une, for example, say voiture. Voiture means, do you remember? Yes, it means car. It is in the feminine singular form. Therefore, we use une, une voiture. If this same verb is in the plural form, for example, voitures, if it is in the plural form, that is, if there is an s added at the end, you would say they voiture. Even for this word, masculine, if this is in the plural form, garçon, if it is in the plural form, what will you use? Yes, you will use they, des. So, whether it is in the feminine or masculine plural form, we use they. I hope you understood the use of the indefinite article. Now, shall we see some examples? First, let us take the word un. Do you remember where we use the word un? Yes, we use it before nouns that are in the masculine singular form. For example, the word mille. Mille means 1,000. It is in the masculine singular form, therefore we use a mille. The next word, cadeau. Cadeau means gift. It is in the masculine singular form, therefore we use un. The next word is carnival. Carnival means the same. It means carnival. Since it is in the masculine singular form, we use un. Radis. It is the French word for the vegetable radish. Since it is in the masculine singular form, we say un radis. The next word is chou-fleur. It means chou-fleur. Since it is in the masculine singular form, we use un. Moving beside, table. It is spelled the same as table in English, but it is pronounced table. It is in the masculine singular form, therefore we use un table. The next word, gâteau. Gâteau means cake. It is in the masculine singular form, therefore we use un gâteau. The next word is cafe. You would have heard this word in English. It is the coffee house. Since it is in the masculine singular form, we say un café. So let us say these words once again. Un mille, which means 1,000. Un cadeau, which is gift. Un carnival. Un radis, which is a radish. Un chou-fleur. Un table. Un gâteau. Un café. So I hope you understood the use of the word un. Now that we have learned the use of the indefinite article un, let us move on to the next indefinite article, un. Do you remember where un is used? Yes, we use it before nouns that are in the feminine singular form. Shall we see some of the examples? Poire. It is pear, the fruit. It is in the feminine singular form. Therefore, you say une poire. Next, do you remember this word? We already used this word, voiture. Do you remember what it means? Yes, it means car. It is in the feminine singular form. So we use une voiture. The next word is also a word that we already used, femme. It means woman. As we can see, it is in the feminine singular form. Therefore, we use une femme. The next word is pomme, which means apple. It is in the feminine singular form. Therefore, we use une pomme. The next word is carotte. It sounds similar. It is carrot. It is in the feminine singular form, so we use une. The next word is also something that we already used, maison. We used it in the definite article. It is a feminine singular noun. Therefore, it means house. Therefore, we use une maison. The next word is fille. Fille means daughter. It is in the feminine singular form. Therefore, une fille. The next word is chat. It means cat. It is in the feminine singular form. Therefore, we use une. And finally, the word langue. Langue means language. It is in the feminine singular form. Therefore, we use the word une langue. So, I hope you understood it. Let us go over it once again. Une poire. Une voiture. Une femme. Une pomme. Une carotte. Une maison. Une fille. Une chat. Une langue. So, now we have learned the use of un and une. What do we need to learn next? Yes, the use of the indefinite article des, des. Now, let us see the use of the article des, that is they, in some examples. Do you remember where we used they? Yes, they is used before a noun that is in the masculine or feminine form, but it is in the plural form. For example, voiture. When it was in the singular form, we use une voiture. But now, since it is in the plural form, we use des voiture. This word gâteau, it was in the singular form. At that time, we used un gâteau. Now, it is in the plural form. Therefore, we use des. Do you remember what gâteau means? Yes, it means cake. But since it is in the plural form, it means cakes. The next word is lettre. It means letters. It is in the plural form. Therefore, we use Des. Des lettres means letters. Hotel. I hope you remember this word. It means hotel. However, it is in the plural form. Therefore, we use des hôtels. The next word is ami. Ami means friend. It may be either in the masculine or in the feminine form. Since it is in the plural form, we use they. The next word is maison. Maison means house. It is in the plural form. Therefore, we use des. Des maisons. The next word is chien. Chien means dog. It is in the plural form. Therefore, what would we use? Yes, we would use they. The next word is table. Table means table. As I already told you, the pronunciation is table. Since it is in the plural form, we use they. Have you understood the use of they? Let us go over this once again. Des voitures, des gâteaux, des lettres, des hôtels, des amis, des maisons, des chiens, des tables. Now, we have learned the use of the definite and the indefinite articles. The definite articles were, do you remember what they were? La, les, L apostrophe and les. The indefinite articles were un, un and they. So, where did we use the definite article la? Yes, we used it before the noun which was masculine singular. What about la? We used it before the noun that was feminine singular. L apostrophe, we used it before the nouns that either began with a vowel or with a H mute. Les was used before the nouns that were either masculine or feminine plural. For the indefinite article, we used un before the nouns that were masculine singular. Un, we used it before the nouns that were feminine singular. And finally, we used they before the nouns that were either masculine or feminine plural. Did you understand the use of the indefinite and definite articles? I hope you did.